Discover the ultimate convenience in blending. With 5 preset options, enjoy perfect smoothies, hot soups, and more without a second guess. Self-cleaning and a powerful 2.2 HP motor make this your go-to kitchen companion for easy, delicious meals.
Unleash your kitchen's full potential with a 1200-watt motor that can turn ice into snow in seconds, perfect for delicious frozen drinks, smoothies, and more. Experience the power of total crushing.
Discover the ultimate blending experience with our unique blender. With 3i texture control settings, smooth, medium, or coarse, tailor any recipe to perfection. Featuring a distinctive triangular jug for quicker, efficient blending and a robust 1200W motor to tackle the toughest ingredients. Effortless cleaning, easy control, perfect results.
Discover the blender that does it all. From the smoothest purees to the heartiest of soups, the 10 variable speeds offer unparalleled culinary precision. Its 48-ounce container is ideal for any family meal, and the hardy stainless steel blades handle the toughest ingredients with ease. When you're done, it cleanses itself in seconds. Culinary excellence has never been this convenient.
Transform your kitchen with a blender that boasts a 3.0 horsepower motor and 2,400 W of pulse power, reaching speeds up to 25,000 RPM per minute. Crush ice, blend fruits, and more effortlessly.